Hey, your family say.
Kill Antia.
Your family say.
Kill Antia.
Your family say.
Kill Antia.
Good.
Who you be?
The whole time I'm the one killer. Nobody.
The killer?
Yeah.
Yeah, my mother! Matthew! They will kill me, Matthew!
Jimmy baby.
I see I'm for your business be. Oh, we are saying I was so my wife in Annie. Not wine, so I remember Aquara. Yes, so you better do all.
Ah, they. Oh, Jesus! Oh. Kai crunch! Kai crunch!
My queen.
Kai crunch!
You better tough in the morning.
Yeah, kai crunch!
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Come on. The nipples are showing too much.
He's the king. You don't have to play with the king.
Does the king have to show the nipples? Hello? Over!
I told you I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I said, "Oh,
Mr. Say.
Mama, patch out."
Circumstance, please,
I'm sorry, be the bomb boy back. Or be the bomb boy. A town for no abronino. Hey, what you want? What's sorry? Hey, not one pa.
Uncle Catchy.
No one knew you walk a catchy. May you are what you say, Matthew Abesha Hammer. You said you want to learn the Ghanaian language, right?
Yeah. Inchi.
Lado.
Actually,
hey.
I make kind three. Hey, silence. Yeah, Airful. Let me up my panther broken.
This one?
A queen. Have you seen it?
It's a flowers.
It's a flower.
Yeah.
It has this round thing on top of it.
Yeah.
Hey, Fajimi, go in your question.
Chebe. Where they? Now, to a car, I say, boom. You do them out there.
Now, come on, baby, crunch them. Maybe you crack a woman in a mood, you may.
And want to get in the crack.
We are off.
Hey,
Besides,
Chimanka. Free more.
Queen Elizabeth go take you to London.